All right, we're recording the sewer line here at 3514 Burke Avenue North. Date today is February 25th, 2020. What we're looking at here is the Seattle City mainline sewer flowing by. We're going to pull back from here, get some footages for the liner estimate, and check the condition of the pipe. Okay. So coming back through 6-inch clay here. Coming into 6-inch concrete now. There's our 4x6 transition. So it'd be about, looking at about 32 feet, 31 feet, 6-inch liner. Zero this out again. We're now in 4-inch concrete. We are daylighting all downspouts and tie-ins. I'm not too worried about the tie-ins here. We got some rock and debris in the line that'll need to be jetted out prior to any work. And there's the end of our plastic run. So we're looking at 49 feet of 4-inch liner and 31 feet of 6-inch liner. Yeah, there's the clean out and the video there.